Sphinx Glass, one of the fast-growing companies in the Middle East region. We started our production back in 2010, and we have been producing high-quality float glass for the past 15 years. Sphinx Glass has been designed to be a state-of-the-art facility. We rely on the modern technology and modern sophistication of the machinery, plus the expertise of our group and our team. At the moment, we are selling to Middle East, of course to Egypt, to the Middle East countries, to East Europe, West Europe, North America, and Latin America. So we have so many customers in all those regions, and we are getting more and more demand of our glass and more demand of our service. Egypt has actually abundance of very high quality silica sand for production of glass, and that gives our glass in Egypt a special characteristics that's really liked by our customers. And because of this, we produce clear glass with high clarity, and this is one of our specialty. We also have another category of products, which is the body tinted glass, which is glass that we color it with certain chemicals and colorants. We do solar coatings for also the construction applications, but also for the home appliances, white goods, that we are actually one of the leading producers of glass for this kind of applications. I think it's interesting for someone to ask, why a customer in North America or in Latin America or in Europe think to import glass from Egypt. Customers usually, they are looking for a good product, but not only a good product, but a consistent good product. A product that every time is the same. So that's what we try to offer in Sphinx. We have a very consistent product quality. That is, every time you buy from us, you get exactly what you ask for, exactly what you expect, probably higher. We very much respect that we are dealing with customers who are, many of them, they take this glass and process it again for other usages. So we also expect that those customers, they have commitments, and we make sure that we supply the glass to them exactly at the time they want it. Glasstec, for me personally, is the most important glass show in the world. The reason is it's one of the gatherings for the glass industry. Everybody is keen not to miss. People from all over the world, they come to this show to exchange information, to show what they have, what is new in glass, what is the new innovations. In this show, we are introducing a new color that was not available in the past. It's a darker gray color that is used now for automotive glass applications, for cars, for trains, for buses, and so on. And at the same time, it is now we introduce it to some architectural application. Egypt has been always in the forefront of technology in the old eras. The old Egyptians in thousands of years ago were really advanced in many technology. Even until now, we're not able to understand how advanced they were. And one of the leading science they were doing is glass. We discovered glass that was produced by them thousands of years ago. And that's the reason why we chose Sphinx Glass for the name of this company. And we really want to reflect that we are the grandsons of those old Egyptians. And we really want to continue their civilization and the heritage by continue doing very good quality glass and distributing it and exporting it all over the world.